Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your SSD or HDD speed. Go to any browser, search for the CrystalDiskMark. Go to the first site, click CrystalDiskMark here, and download will start automatically. Go to the downloads folder or where did you save the file. Click and install file, accept, click next, and install. After installing, go to the desktop and launch application. After launching, if you have two separate SSDs, you can choose it here. I will choose my SSD here and click all to start testing. Wait until test finishes. It's done, and here is the results. Read speed and write speed of your SSD. Thank you for watching.